4 cool sea creatures that you didn't know existed. Number 1. The water bear. This indestructible cutie is less than 1.5 millimeters long. But don't be fooled by its size. The water bear can survive extreme temperatures, 1,000 times more radiation than most animals, and has survived through all 5 major extinctions. Number 2. The immortal jellyfish. At the end of its life, the immortal jellyfish absorbs itself and returns to its first polyp state, continuing its life cycle, well, indefinitely. Number 3. The mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp has a color spectrum 4 times larger than humans. That means it can see colors we can't even dream of. And number 4, the mimic octopus. Along with changing its color and texture, the mimic octopus actually mimics the behavior and shape of a multitude of species.